kindergarten friends. Today, to do our activity, you are going to need a whiteboard, an expo marker, and some kind of an eraser, whether it's an old sock, an actual whiteboard eraser, or a paper towel. So if you don't have those items, go ahead and get them and pause our video. If you do have those items, let's get started. So what we're working on is changing the beginning sound of a word, which makes a new word. So I'm going to write a word family on my whiteboard here. And I'm going to write these two letters. Okay? Do you think you might know what word family we're working with today? Let's read it. A-n. An. An. Let's put it together. Do you know what word family that is? It's the an word family. Say it with me. An. An. Say it again. An. Very good. We're working with the an word family. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a sound in the beginning of the word an. And we're going to see if we can read that word. An. An. What's that word? That's right, it's can. So what happens if I take away that beginning sound and I give a new sound? Now can is changed to b-an. Ban. Ban means you can't do something. Were you ever banned from TV? Meaning mom or dad now won't let you watch it? That has happened in my house. All right, how about this? Now we took away the b for ban, and now let's change that beginning sound again and make a new word. Now we have an. An. What's our new word? Ran. Great job. Just keep calling them out. All right, let's get rid of the R, and give a new sound. An. An. What's our new word? We don't have ran anymore. Now we have tan. Great job. And tan is a color. All right, now let's take away the t and put in, well, it's a little close, p, an, p, an. What's our word? Pan. You might cook in a pan. Great job. All right. Now I'm going to get tricky. Make that A again. And I'm going to put down two sounds. I still have an. What about p, l, an, an. I took off one sound, and this time I put in two sounds. Can anybody read that? Plan. Have you ever made a plan before? Do you plan to play after school? Great job. We figured out that we can change that beginning sound and get a new word. All right. So, let's change our word family and make some new words. This time, let's do, whoops, I don't like that A. Let's do this word family. A, p, put it together. What word family is that? App. Say it with me. App. Say it again. App. It's the app word family. Great job. Now, I'm going to put that little line in front this time. App. App. What word do we have? Cap. All right. So now let's remove the letter C and replace it with the letter T. Now what word do we have? We went from cap to app. Tap. Great job. Let's get rid of the letter T. And now we have the letter L. What sound does the letter L make? L. So we went from tap to app. App. Lap. Nice job. Let's get rid of L and put in app. App. Map. All right. All we're doing is changing that beginning sound to make a new word. Let's get rid of map and put in a letter S. Sap. Sap. Do you know what sap is? Sap is that sticky substance that you'd find in a tree trunk. For those of you who cut down your Christmas tree, you may have felt some sap in the tree trunk. Don't get it on your clothes. You can ruin your clothes with sap. All right, let's get rid of that letter S, and we're going to replace it with the letter N. App. App. Nap. Great job. All right. Now let's get rid of that entire word and let's do another word family. Think we can read it? Give me the sounds. I, p, I, p. Let's put it together. I, p, I. Great job. All right, the first sound in the beginning of ip is t, 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 ip, t, ip. Tip. I've got a tip on my marker. All right, let's get rid of the first sound and change it. Then we'll get a new word. We'll go from tip to ip. Ip. Rip. Great job. You can rip a piece of paper in half. All right, let's get rid of rip. And I'll give you a new letter to make a new word. We'll go from rip to ip. Ip. What word is that? It's lip. Great job. All right, we'll go from lip to ip. Ip. Hip. Great job. Do you know where your hips are? You can put your hands on your hips. They're your bones that are right at the tip top of your legs. They sit right on your legs. All right, so let's get rid of the and we'll make a new word by putting a letter D in the front of ip. D, ip. D, ip. What word do I have now? We went from hip to dip. Great job. Now, can you dip your chip? You can. All right. And now let's get rid of d, 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 and make s, sip, sip, sip. Great job. Do you sip through a straw? Very good, my friends. Very good. All right. And we'll try one more. This time I'm going to get rid of the s sound. I'm going to give you two sounds. How about this one? S, n, s, n, ip. Can you read that? S, n, ip. Snip. Great reading. So my friends, what we learned today is what we can do is change the first sound of a word to get a new word. You did a great job reading with me today. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.